Veterans like you came home carrying more than anyone could see. Something's different, but you can't quite put your finger on it. Some wounds are easy to see, others follow you home, they're silent and relentless. And here's the truth, what you're living with is real, and it's not permanent. With the right strategies, you can heal, regain control, and start feeling like yourself again. I'm Dr. Prashant Sharma, a board-certified psychiatrist, U.S. Air Force veteran, and Johns Hopkins trained physician, where I now teach as an instructor in psychiatry. Veterans face unique stresses, and too often both the medical system and the government fail to recognize or address them. That's why I created this channel, to change that. From low-level blast exposure that never shows up on an MRI to PTSD that gets mislabeled, too many veterans get dismissed, underrated, or denied. The symptoms are real: memory lapses, rage that comes out of nowhere, sleep blown to pieces, a job you can't hold on to, a family you love but keep hurting. If you've been denied, underrated, or told to wait and see while your life is on fire, I see you. You're not broken. You're not weak. You need clarity? This channel is for veterans and families who want answers. I've seen this fight from both sides, in service and in medicine. I'll decode the playbook, demystify the CMP exam, and show you how to build the evidence you need for PTSD, TBI, anxiety, and more. But I'll also give you psychological tools, evidence-based strategies to improve sleep, calm your mind, manage anger, and start healing. Because benefits matter, but living better every single day matters more. Subscribe to this channel and arm yourself not only with the information to win your claim, but with the skills to take your life back.